Hey Joshua, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a luggage. And for this set that we got right here, it comes in 3 different sizes. So they have a 20-inch, a 24-inch, and also 28-inch. And the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. Let me actually open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so we guys first open up, you can definitely see the luggage inside right there. But let's take it out. Alright, so I see that once we take it out, the product is all nicely wrapped up right here. But let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take off the wrapper, you can definitely see the luggage right here. Definitely looks like a high quality luggage. And you see right here is only one luggage. And the reason why there's only one luggage here is because the remainder of the 2 luggage is inside right here. So basically what you guys see right here is a 28-inch. And all the other ones are smaller ones. But the way how to design the other one is basically the same thing. So before I actually open it up to show you guys what the other one looks like, let me show you the outside here first. So definitely for the bottom of the wheels, they are 360 rotatable. So if you guys want to spin the luggage like this, or if you guys want to move forwards and backwards, or left and right, you definitely have all that option available for you guys right here. And then for the handle part right here, if you guys want to break it up, you definitely can. So for the handle part right here, there's 3 different levels on here. So this is the first level right here. That is 2. And that is 3. So it definitely has a pretty good height on here once you guys pull it up. And when you guys are ready to actually pull it, you definitely have the option to like move it around like this. Or if you guys want to actually bend it and go like that, you can definitely do that as well. If you see on this side right here, the way how to design this side right here, if you guys want to tilt it this way, so let's say you guys want to go like this, you can definitely do that. So that way the product won't keep moving around if you guys set it in this position right here. And the way how I should turn it this way, if you can see right here, we do have the handle part right here as well. So I bring it closer to you guys can see what it actually looks like right here. And it does have a very good grip on here as well. So that way it's actually really comfortable when you guys use it. They do have another handle part right here as well, if you guys need to carry it this way. But you shouldn't really need to carry it because of the way how they design the wheels right here is actually super durable and super strong. And then basically in the front part right here, and then see the way how they design right here, they do have 2 pockets. So let's bring it down. You can definitely see how it's actually very spacious right here to put a lot of stuff inside. And if you guys close it back up, that's how you guys close it up. Same thing applies to the bottom one here as well. So that is how far it goes for this one here. So we're turning sideways. It's definitely very spacious here as well to put a lot of stuff inside. So basically have the room to put stuff inside, and you guys have this option here as well, which is pretty cool. And right here we do have the brand logo here. And also if you guys can see on the side right here, they do have a TSA Lock as well. So you definitely set your code on here if you guys want to. So that way you guys have extra security when you guys lock your important stuff inside right here. And the way how to design this lock right here allows like the TSA to use their key to actually unlock it right here. So basically how it works is that you guys want to set your code on here and then push the button on the bottom to unlock it. And basically lock both of these inside right here like this. Just snap it in. And it's all set. If you guys need to reset the code, you can definitely use the button right here to reset it if you guys want to. So this is basically what the overall part looks like in the front part. Here's what it looks like on the side. Here's what it looks like in the back part. And also when you see the back part right here, they do have this little slot for you guys to put your card right here. So that way you guys know it's your luggage. And we turn this side, this actually looks like on this side right here. So like I mentioned, for all 3 of the luggage that's actually included inside right here is basically the same thing. But let me actually open up the inside to show you guys what it looks like as well. So basically for this luggage right here, in the middle part or top part right here, they have 2 zipper compartments. So I'm gonna open up the first one first. So you see we actually open up this part right here. Basically what that does is like an expandable option. So if you guys need more space, you can definitely use this zipper option right here to actually release it, to make it more expandable. But if you guys don't need more space, you don't have to do that option. So that is basically the second zipper option. And then for the main zipper option right here, so basically I unbuckle this part right here, and you guys will open up. As you see, we actually open up, you can definitely see the other luggage inside, but let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, you can definitely see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So we do have the 24-inch right there, and this big one right here is basically 28-inch. If you can see inside right here, it's actually very spacious. But I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer to give you guys another point of view of the product. Alright, so this is basically what the inside looks like right here. So you definitely have this compartment right here to actually zip it up. If you guys want to store stuff inside right here, so maybe like your underwear, your t-shirts or whatever. And the inside right here is actually very spacious as well. They do have this zipper compartment right here if you guys want to store stuff inside right here. And then on the side right here, we do have another compartment as well. So if you guys want to open up this part, And then we do have 2 buckle options right here. So let's open up this part as well. You can basically use those 2 buckle options right here to actually tighten up your clothes and hold it together if you guys want to. But you can see we actually open up this part right here. If you guys want to store stuff and hide stuff inside right here, you definitely have the option available for you guys. But this is basically what the product looks like in the inside right here. So we do have this zipper compartment right here. We have this zipper compartment right here. And we also have this zipper compartment here as well with the buckle option to actually tighten up all your clothes and strap it all together if you guys want to. So this is basically what the inside looks like for all of the luggages. Alright, so here is a close-up of what the wheel looks like right here. If you guys see, it definitely looks like a high quality wheels. And they are the 360 spindle wheels right here. If we turn it to the other side, let me show you guys what it actually looks like for the TSA Lock as well. So here is a close-up of the TSA Lock right here. So you basically want to actually put your zipper inside right here to actually lock it up. And then for this part right here is the TSA Lock option, so they can use the lock from the TSA option to actually unlock it if they want to. And basically, if you guys need to reset the code right here and bottom part right here, you basically want to use the reset option right here to actually do that. So I'm going to show you guys how to use that. Alright, so first thing you guys want to do is put these back inside right here first. And once you guys do this, you basically want to press on the reset button on top. So right here is the reset button. Alright, so once you guys push it down, you basically want to actually reset the code right here in the bottom part. So right now I have it at 000. If I change it to 010, alright, so 010. And once I push this button right here, it'll change the code to 010. And this part on top will actually pop up as well. So if I press right here, you guys can see how it pops up. So basically the new code now is 010. So if I try to change the code to a different code, if I try to lock it, I can't lock it anymore because that's the wrong code. So we need to change it back to 010. And then if I try to lock it again, that works. So if you guys need to change the code back to another code or whatever, you can basically repeat the same step that I just showed you guys right here. And that is basically how you guys change the code on here. Pretty easy and very simple to actually do that. And this will actually look like on the side right here for the handle part right here. And then the top part right here, the handle part and this handle option right here. So that is basically what the luggage looks like right here. Let me actually take out the other ones as well and show you guys a side-by-side comparison of what each one looks like if you guys put all of them together. Alright, so you see inside right here we do have the smallest one, so let's take that out as well. But when we take it out, you can see everything inside right here is basically the same thing as the big one. But right here you can see we do have the smallest one. So I should take off the wrapper first. Alright, let me pull up the handle part. Alright, so once we take out all 3 of them, you can definitely see what actually looks like right here. So right here, the biggest one is the 28 inch. Right here we have the 24 inch. And right here we do have the 20 inch. So these 2 right here are probably not the carry-on size. But this one here is definitely a carry-on size. But definitely all 3 of these right here do give you guys a spindle wheel option on here. They do give you guys a TSA Lock option. They give you guys a 2-hand option right here. So if you guys want to carry it this way, or if you guys want to carry it this way, you can definitely do that on here. And basically the material that they use for all 3 of these luggage right here is like an Oxford material that's also like stain resistant and water resistant as well. So since the product is supposed to be water resistant, let me actually pour some water on here to actually test it out to see whether or not it's actually true. Alright, so you can see the water right there. If we turn it sideways, you guys can see how all the water just slip off so easily because of that Oxford material that they have on here is actually water resistant or waterproof. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys take it out. If you can see, it definitely looks really nice and definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. And it's definitely very spacious as well, so they definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. And I really like the fact that how they actually have the different pockets on here. So if you guys want to separate like your laptop or your power banks, and then if you guys want to put your clothes inside, you can definitely do all that on here for all 3 of these luggages. But now to go unboxing and test the product, now the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the set that we got right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. Especially if you guys want to get all 3 of these luggage sides right here. And it is super compact and portable, so if you guys want to put this back inside right here, because you guys don't need both of these right here, you definitely have that option available. And definitely the fact of how these are actually stain resistant and also water resistant as well is pretty cool. So I would definitely have to say that these are pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. But then obviously if those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.